Here I got my OBX helical limited slip differential for the Subaru. There you can see the part number. I got everything cleaned, ready to reassemble. Make sure there's no shavings or anything in there. Got my Loctite, my torque spec, your spring washers. Step one to pretty much getting the transmission back together. Got all the lower pieces in, your center star, and you want to make sure you get this in the right way. You see how there's only one way it can go in with that ledge. Those bevel washers need to sit in there, so that's got to go that way. And then here for reference, I have how I'm going to set up these spring washers. And you'll drop those in and make sure they're oriented the correct way. So here I have both these stars together, all the washers in, and made sure that they're seated correctly, and it's sticking up here a little bit, so that'll make your compression when you put those together. Now everything's together, all the gears are in there, and now you got to line up that slot there with that dowel pin there. There. There's a little bit of a gap between there. Alright, there it is finished. Everything's torqued. Everything is Loctite, and everything has torque stripe on it. So now we'll let that set up, and we can move on to getting the pinion depth and a backlash set up.